Hello guys, look at that. Look what we got here. That's a big box and that's full of flybacks. These are all working good flybacks, all have the wire attached on them. And this one is a bit older transformers that I had a while ago. But still, most of them has their wire on and they are fully functional. And all of the box on top are new flybacks. And some of these ones, and these ones are, some of them are new as well. But mostly, I have tested most of them and they're working absolutely fine. And on top here we got more flybacks and some tripplers. Look at this one, it's a nice core. And still the wire is not on there, but I can slide the wire in there. And it will be attached in the connector, it's like a little connector in there. So yes, this one has still a little PCB on there, so I need to desolder that. So yes, a lot of flybacks to have good fun with. And of course, every flyback, all the flybacks are worthless without a good driver for it. So this will be a huge flyback driver. That's a gate drive transformer right there. It's not complete yet. Here we got the IGBT. Of course, it's screwed in. Isolation transformer for output. These are big ferrite transformers. We'll step up the voltage slightly. I see those fat bus bars here. Goes into those transformers. And we have those little thinner wires coming out. And there are two pair of them. Or yes, there are two pair that coming out in each one. So nearly 300 volts in, and that's almost nearly 600 volts out. And it will be a half bridge, that's a IGBT, and there are the capacitors. And the driver for that, little gate driver, it are going to be a ZVS. That's a transformer, gate drive transformer. That I'm really going to use. Those two goes to IGBT, of course with some protective circuitry. And that one goes to a ZVS. Of course, a very small ZVS. We don't want big ZVSs here. A little ZVS. I just want some milliamps out of them. Mostly voltage, nearly 12 or 20 volts. That goes into a protective circuitry, and after that it goes to the IGBT. Half driver. And it will not actually be 300 volts here. It will be almost 150 volts. Just because it's a half bridge. You use half the power. And voltage in on the top, signal voltage. And mains comes in here. Rectified mains. This will not have a rectifier inside it. I can put 12 volts, 24 volts, 50 volts. I can actually connect it to a variac and vary the voltage. So this one does not go on a fixed voltage, I can vary the voltage. And those capacitors are rated for 450 volts each. So that will be not a problem to run them on a rectified 3-phase. Output here goes to the flybacks. And when it's a isolation transformer in that, it will not damage IGBT. Not even if the whole flyback is a lot of corona around the flyback and sparking everywhere. That will not damage the IGBT. And of course there will be some protective circuitry after the isolation transformer as well. What happened here? I wonder where the PT is. There's supposed to be a PT here. Personal trainer. Potential transformer I mean, not personal trainer. Where had the PT gone? Let's find it. No, that was not the PT. That one? No, not that one as well. Is it back here? No, it's not in those control panels or UPS. Is it the back? No, not on the back. Here as well. Where is it? Where's the PT? I can't find the PT. Oh, I find it. Here it is. Here we got it. That plate is taken away. And it's connected to the isolation transformer, and it got its own little choke on top. Let's do some marks. Oh, look at that. What is this? That is a hell of a mess. Need to fix that. It's not nice on the videos. Looks awful. I want all of this messy wiring to look like this. Look at that nice wiring here. Not that. Enough talked. Plug it in. 133 volts after choke. Unplug safety first. Amps. Three amps. Maximum current. PT, you can see, maybe see the meters there. Annoying plug. This wire is not high voltage rated, just so you know it. And let's see how it sparks. That's not good. High voltage. Oh, 50 Hertz hum. That's nice. This sounds much better than 60 Hertz. I've never heard 60 Hertz, just so you know it. 50 Hertz is much better. Enough with arcs, let's have a look on those meters. Listen to that. Just if you want to know, it stands 15 amps on the amp meter, maximum current. I'm going to do the arc. That's 2 kilowatts, a little bit more than 2 kilowatts, and nearly 2 kilovolt amp reactive. The chicken stick on the side. A 30 centimeter long arc. 14.9 amps. Still nice and cool. The ballast is warm. Coil is warm, that's hot stuff. And the isolation transformer, what do you think? It's stone cold. Let's do the calculations on that one. See how much power that's dissipated. 133 volts and 14.9 amps. Thanks for watching. And some 50 Hz hum.